Welcome to the Wildest Quiz on YouTube. You'll see 18 amazing animals, birds, insects, and trees. But can you guess them all before the timer runs out? Each right answer comes with a mind-blowing fun fact that'll make you say, "Wow, seriously?" Ready to test your nature IQ? Let's begin. Guess the animal that can regrow its limbs, spinal cord, and even parts of its brain. Axolotl. Here's a fun fact. The axolotl is called the walking fish, but it's actually a salamander, not a fish. This animal existed before trees. Can you guess? It's a shark. Sharks are over 400 million years old, older than trees. Which bird gifts pebbles to attract a mate? A penguin. Here's a fun fact. Male penguins find the smoothest pebble to propose, like a wedding ring. Which bird can fly backwards? Hummingbird. Here's an amazing fact about these beautiful birds. Their heart beats up to 1,200 times per minute. Which animal is the only mammal covered in scales? Pangolin. When threatened, pangolins curl up like a ball, and their scales act like armor. Which animal can see ultraviolet light? Reindeer. This helps reindeer spot predators and food in snowy landscapes. Which insect has ears on its knees? Cricket. Crickets have their tiny ears located on their front legs near the knees. Which animal can change its gender during its life? It's a clownfish. All clownfish are born male, but the dominant one turns female. Which bird has eyeballs larger than its brain? Ostrich. Their big eyes help them spot predators from far away. Which mammal can hold its breath longer than dolphins, up to 40 minutes? Sloth. Sloths slow their heart rate to survive underwater for that long. Which reptile can run on water without sinking? Basilisk lizard. It's called the Jesus Christ lizard because it literally runs across water surfaces. This animal has black skin under white fur. Can you guess which one? Polar bear. Polar bears have transparent fur and black skin to absorb sunlight and stay warm. Which sea animal has no brain and no blood? It's a starfish. Starfish use seawater to pump nutrients through their body. Which animal's milk is pink in color? Hippopotamus. hippos secrete a natural red pigment that mixes with milk, turning it pinkish. Which tree is known as the tree of life because it can survive extreme desert conditions? Baobab tree. Baobabs store up to 32,000 gallons of water in their trunk to survive droughts. Which snake can fly through the air by gliding between trees? Paradise tree snake. It flattens its body like a ribbon and glides up to 100 meters, earning the nickname flying snake. Which insect defends itself by spraying a boiling, popping chemical blast at its attacker? Bombardier beetle. The beetle mixes chemicals in a special chamber to trigger a rapid exothermic reaction, ejecting a hot, noxious spray with audible pops. Which fungus turns ants into zombies, forcing them to climb and die in places ideal for the fungus to spread? Ophiocordyceps. The fungus manipulates the ant's behavior, so it clamps onto vegetation at the perfect height. Then the fungus grows out of the ant to release spores. Nature never fails to surprise us, right? How many did you guess correctly? Comment your score below. If you enjoyed learning these fun facts, hit the like button and subscribe to Brain Blitz Bash for more amazing quizzes every week.